Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can view your issues and work items in your Jira site as a chart, for example, as a bar chart or pie chart. And it is actually very simple, guys. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Jira project. Let me go with that Kanban project here for the sake of this tutorial. And switch to the list view here at the top. So what you want to do, guys, is click into these three dots here in the top right next to these settings here, and after that select view as chart. That is going to open up that menu here. So here you can view your work items and issues as a chart, but only through the list view, guys. So you can view this list as a chart, for example, select your field below, like for example apply this chart to the status, to the priority, to the issue type. So let me go with a status. So this will show us, for example, how many of our work items and issues are in that status, and that one as well, all of that inside or through a circle or pie chart like this. You may change the chart type below. Well, they call it donut chart, but I called it a pie chart. You can also use a bar chart, and there you go. You will see how many of your work items are in that status, or in that one here. And you can change the field here, like let me go to, for example, to the priority, and there you go. That's how it works, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.